Hi friends, today we're going to talk about another way to add two two-digit numbers together, but today we're going to focus on a closed number line, and that just means that there's numbers already printed on the line for them. While they will never have to produce their own closed number line, if they are using a number line to solve their problems, they're going to be drawing an open one. They may be presented with closed ones on a test and still know how to use it to solve their problems. For some friends, this is a very hard strategy to comprehend, and I'm okay if they go underneath it and draw an open number line to solve the problem, because sometimes this many numbers on a paper can be very overwhelming for little eyes. So if I was having to use a closed number line to solve this problem, I would start just like I do with an open one at my very first add-in, which is 24. I'm going to put a dot at my first number. Now with an open number line, I would do my jump first and then label, but that step goes backwards when we're doing a closed one. I'm still going to look at my second add-ins, and in the tens place, I have a 1, which means I'm going to be jumping one group of 10. Before I can draw my hump, I have to find the number and then label. So it's a little bit of a step backwards. That's why some friends find the closed ones really hard to do. So if I start at 24 and I have a 1 in the tens place, my brain knows that 24 plus 10 is 34. So I'm going to go over here to the 34, make a dot, and then draw my hump to connect those two. And I'm going to label it. Then I'm going to look at my ones place and I see a 3. So I'm going to jump forward 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. And the number that I land on is my answer. Now let's say that the closed number line is really hard for them, but it's presented that way on a test. If they want to come underneath it and do an open one, that's okay. So let's draw an open one underneath to see if this one matches that one. I'm starting at 24 and I'm adding, so I'm starting on the left side of my number line and jumping forwards. My second add-in is 13 and I have a 1 in the tens place, so I'm jumping forward 10 spaces. 24 plus 10 is 34. In my equation, I have a 3 in the ones place, so I'm going to jump forward 3 spaces. I can do 3 jumps of 1, 1 jump of 3, or a jump of 2 and another 1. But my goal is to try to make the least amount of jumps as possible. 34 plus 3 is 37. And that's my answer.